I'm working on the seats in a 1988 360V Ranger, and it is a little difficult to find a video to do what I needed to do. This particular outfit has two separate parts. It has a lower section and a back section. In order to get at everything, I had to go in through the access of this storage compartment here, and there is the long box in the back. There is an insert over there that needed to come out up underneath, and that pulls out over there to gain access up underneath. And I'll show you where you're going to access and what you're going to access. We're going to lift out this bottom section, and it comes straight up on mine. And there's a frame there. Still has the original markings, 340 to 360V, I assume. And that has 3 slots for the respective mounting brackets here. There's 3 of them along the back. And then you have the back section. And it doesn't exactly lift straight out until after you get the brackets out of the way. These mounting brackets here, 1, 2, which I said accessed from inside the storage compartment, and then a third one over there, which you have to access from the long box, taking that insert out I mentioned earlier. And then you can loosen all of these attachment points and lift out the back. There are 2 screws at the base of the seat, more or less just lines it up. You can see that there and over there. There might have been a third one, but I didn't have 3 on mine. And that's a respective hole there and over there, and that more or less just lines it up as far as I can tell. And then you clamp these down when I get ready to put it back together. Like I said, I found difficulty finding anything on this particular version. The seats I had seen replaced were replaced with 1 single piece. And of course people upgrade and put in buckets, but I thought I'd go with the standard skins that you can buy from Ranger. They get your serial numbers and everything, and then you can get the original or as close to the color that you used to have. And obviously this is in pretty bad shape, and I'm going to hope that the foam is good enough, and if it's not, I'll replace that. But it doesn't look like it's too ratty yet. That's it. Hope that gives you some help on how to work on yours if you got the same year and the same style seat. So there it is. Bye.